Hi everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am Mr. Gadget Corner. I want talk about specifications of Infinix Zero 5 Pro. Before that, come on subscribes, so this channel can provide useful information. Infinix Zero 5 Pro smartphone was launched in November 2017. The phone comes with a 5.98-inch touchscreen display with a resolution of 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. Display colors 16 million colors. Type IPS, LCD capacitive touchscreen, Corning Gorilla Glass 3. The Infinix Zero 5 Pro is powered by 2.6 GHz octa-core MediaTek Helio P25 processor and it comes with 6 GB of RAM. The phone packs 128 GB of internal storage that can be expanded up to 128 GB via a micro SD card. As far as the cameras are concerned, the Infinix Zero 5 Pro packs a 12-megapixel primary camera on the rear and a 16-megapixel front shooter for selfies. The Infinix Zero 5 Pro runs Android 7.0 Nougat operating system and is powered by a 4350 mAh non-removable battery. The Infinix Zero 5 Pro is a dual SIM, GSM and GSM, smartphone that accepts microSIM and microSIM. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi, GPS, Bluetooth, FM, 3G and 4G. Sensors on the phone include proximity sensor, accelerometer, ambient light sensor and gyroscope, smooth fingerprint. Available color red, gold, and black. Price around $430.00 US. About Infinix. Infinix is a Hong Kong-based smartphone maker. The company claims to have R&D centers sprawling between France and Korea, with manufacturing centers in China. The company makes smartphones that run the Android operating system. It was founded in 2013. The firm claims to have local subsidiaries in over 60 countries. Done. Okay, don't forget watching next video. Thanks for watching.